Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a link in bio website using Hostinger website builder. This is the website that I will show you how to create in this video. As you see, this is the website logo, the title, the buttons like book me, see my work, price list, website, and those are social links, of course, and those are my affiliate finds or my product finds. How to create without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com. Then log in to your Hostinger account if you already have one. If you don't have one, you can use my affiliate link, which is hostinger.com/deal now. This way you will get a 7% discount code automatically entered. Okay, after logging to your Hostinger account, click on websites. Now click on this add website button and select Hostinger website builder. You will see this window pops up or slides in. Let AI create a website for you. Here, instead of creating a website or a normal website, click here on this link called link in bio website. Then you will see fully customizable link to bio templates. Here, choose a suitable template and that suits your needs. And of course, you can change color, fonts, images, and more later. Okay, how to preview a template? Simply click on for example, let's check this template. Instead of going with select template, click on this preview button. And as you see, it automatically shows up the preview like this. This is the links that you can edit later, and of course you can edit any design detail on this template. You can go or you can check it on how it looks like on the desktop from here, and you can switch back to the desktop from here. Now let's go back to see all the other templates. There are multiple templates. For example, there are coming soon templates, also link in bio. If you want to see only link in bio templates, here below choose a category, click on link in bio. And just like that, let's check this template. Follow me and join the community. There are simple buttons. Now let's go back. Link in bio, and let's check this yellow or this summer style template. Book me, see my work, price list, website, and social links. Of course, you can add your logo here if you have one. Let's say that you like this template. Click on this start building button. And here they ask you to add links to your site, for example, social links. Now let's say that I have an Instagram with this link, social.com.builders. I will copy the same link here for all social links. Click on save and continue, or you can skip this step. I will go with save and continue. Later, I can post the affiliate link. For example, product title. For example, let's say that I have this Amazon product. I promote this Amazon product. For example, this table runner. This is my affiliate link. For example, I post it here, then the product, I will product title here, and also the button title. For example, buy the table run or check the table runner. You can go with shop now, buy now, sign up, subscribe, or fill in your own one. Check my table runner, or check the table runner. You can also add another link. For example, let's say that you promote this salt shaker. Copy the product title here, the link or the affiliate link, and for the check the salt shaker, and now click on save and continue. And just like that, as you see, I want to preview it on the desktop. This is my website on the desktop, and this is the mobile view. And of course, let's see how to edit this text. Simply click on it, double click it, and fill in your name. For example, dotcom builders. To add your own logo here, you can click on elements, then drag and drop this element here, and then select the image, click on edit image and replace, and upload your own logo. I don't think I have a logo here right now, so I will close this. Let's say that this is my logo. I will place it here a little bit. Now to edit this book me button, click on it like this, then click on edit button and fill in your first you can edit the button text from here, then the link you can select to link to a page, a web address, a section, email, phone number, file download. And then select, if you go with email, phone number, for example, type your phone number here. Now let's see how to edit those social links. Just select the social links and click on edit social links. From here you can edit a social link, delete a social platform, and you can add a new platform from here. This is the product recommendations. Select the first product, click on edit affiliate find, and here you can edit the button title, the button text. This is the title, this is the text, and you can also select product URL. Let's reopen it, select web address, then fill in your website, your affiliate link here. You can select between opening this in a new tab, yes or no, and make this link no follow, yes or no. Let's see the other settings, button, title. You can adjust the title size from here. Also the text color, the position, border. You can edit the card border width, radius, padding, color, border color, and you can add an animation like this. Now let's see how to edit the background of this this nature looking background. Select the background like this and click on edit section. From here click on replace image. By the way, you can even go with a color and then pick the color from here. You can go with an image and replace it, which I will show you in a second. And you can even go with a video like this. Now for our image, click on replace image. You can upload your image from your computer or go with free images. Let's pick this photo, for example. Click on add to page. And just like this, you can adjust the photo background, photo opacity, and you can make it fixed like this or this. And of course, after editing your website, click on go live. And once your website is updated, let's view it live. And this is how it looks like on the desktop. By the way, I think I need for the desktop is a little bit messed up. So how to fix this? It's on, as you see on the mobile, the photo looks right, or this logo looks right, but on the desktop it is placed below the affiliate buttons. So how to fix this? Switch to the desktop view, then take the logo in my case and place it here where you want it to be. Now update the website again. By the way, this photo is my website logo. Now let's refresh my website, and just like this my desktop view is fixed. And if you want to check the mobile view on your computer or laptop, simply click on Google Chrome, click on the using the right button of your mouse, click select inspect, and here you will see something like this. First adjust this view from here like this, and switch from the computer to the smartphone just like this. And this is the mobile view of your website. And of course, at the end you want to connect your domain, so just click on connect domain. You are till now you are using a temporary domain. This is it. To connect your .com domain, click on change domain, then fill in your domain name here and click on next and follow the process. It's a simple process. You need to just be patient while trying to connect your domain because it is not an instant process. And this is how to create a link in bio website in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.